Today, we're going to look at the character of Maria in the story Too Many Tamales. So if you hopefully you already watched the video recording of the story or you read the book in number 2. So looking on here, you can either listen to the video reading the story or you can read the story on your own. You can do either one. And once you're done with that, you're going to think about the character Maria, and we're going to describe her character. So you can use this list of character traits, and there's many on here that you could probably find text evidence for, but you only need to pick 4. So some that I thought of were like careless, helpful, determined, proud, polite. There's all kinds of character traits that would describe Maria. And once you decide 4 character traits that you think will best describe her, you're going to make a copy of the document. And I already have her name on here, and I have the title of the story. So you're going to need to pick 4 character traits that you're going to put into these ovals. And for each one of them, you're going to find text evidence from the story. It can be from more than one place, but you're going to find text evidence that tells you that she has that trait. And once you're done with it, you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to upload it to this assignment, describing characters.